Hey, what is going on, guys? So today we're going to be looking at top 5 weird Amazon products, or in this case, my reaction to weird Amazon products, part 2. Home shipping containers. I heard these are rather popular. I think you can buy these on Amazon for $36,000 or something like that. Um, yeah, it was kind of hard not to find Nicolas Cage stuff this time because a lot of it was Nicolas Cage things. Um, but I wouldn't be surprised if they actually had home shipping container Nicolas Cage murals. Um, so yeah. Now that I probably said that, that's probably going to be a thing. Someone's probably going to look through this video and be like, oh, yes, make that right now. Um, please don't actually make that if you're planning on making that because who is that obsessed with Nicolas Cage? But yeah, home shipping containers for $36,000. Yours on Amazon right now. Probably free shipping. Where would you even actually ship that to? I mean, if would you have to come pick it up, or would you? I'm trying to think if it shows like right here. I mean, because it kind of shows that it's kind of like a little pre-made little community here, but I don't know if you were to get that shipped, where would you ship it to? Like, would you have some predetermined address, or you would have to have some predetermined address if you're gonna ship it anywhere, because that's the first thing I would have to think of is you have to have like a predetermined address. Um, so yeah. Next one. Home mushroom farm. I don't think this is the one specifically off Amazon, but I think it's one similar to it. But I think this was like $24 on Amazon. I'm not sure. But I feel like if it's on Amazon, it's probably got Nicolas Cage on it. Um, yeah. Why would you want a mushroom farm though? But because I was trying to think of why you would want a mushroom farm out of all things that you could possibly buy with your money on Amazon. I mean, a mushroom farm. I mean, at least the shipping home containers, the home shipping containers had some meaningful function, but just a mushroom farm seems kind of pointless if if you really think about it. Because yeah, just mushrooms. PB&J of the Month Club. So apparently this is a legit thing on Amazon, where you could just subscribe to a peanut butter and jelly of the month club. Who actually contributes to that? I mean, let alone actually buy it. Who actually contributes to that? Is what I'm thinking. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking is who actually contributes to that. Like you just snap a photo and be like, "Hey, look at my sandwich. It's what I'm eating right now." PB&J. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich of the month club. Not sure how I feel about that. Are we really at that point where we are so obsessed with bacon that we need dental floss that tastes like bacon? The sad truth is this says waxed bacon floss. I mean, waxed. Waxed. Not sure how I feel about that. Or the fact that it says waxed. It's kind of concerning to me. Other than that, I'm not even sure how that would taste. I mean, if you have bacon floss in your house, tell me how it tastes. Because I would like to honestly know. Then this last one here is an 8-pound bag of cereal marshmallows. I couldn't quite find a picture for this one, but yeah, apparently people just buy 8 pounds of cereal marshmallows and just eat them, or just add them to like their Raisin Bran or something. I don't know. I mean, I don't know what kind of stuff you guys are into. That seems like diabetes to me, but yeah, hardcore. Um, yeah, I'm not sure what you would do with an 8-pound bag of cereal marshmallows. But other than that, that's gonna wrap it up for the video today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys next video.